morning. My name is Aldair Castillo. My family description. My mother is Areli Elizabeth. She is at Howard. She is 46 years old. She is tall. Is thin. Is black. My father is Alberto Castillo. He is brother. He is 5'1". He is medium stature. Still black. Eating. I asked for sister. One sister. Aldanis Castillo is 26 years. She is hardware. She is low. She is thin. So black. Two sisters. Aldaris Castillo. She is 24. She is hardware. She is tall. Is thin. So black. Three sisters. Aldayeris Castillo. She is 20. She is a student. She is low. Is thin. Is the light of play soccer. Fourth sister. Aldarianis Castillo. She is 5'2". She is clear. She is low. She is like to see TV. Is to play soccer. My family living in Valle. Thank you.